Welcome. If you've ever wished Telegram was a little easier on your eyes, especially at night, then this quick guide is just for you. Today, I'll walk you through how to turn on dark mode on Telegram, step by step. It's super simple, and by the end of this video, your app will have a sleek, dark look that's perfect for late-night chatting or anyone who prefers a more minimalist style. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. You'll see your usual chat list and messages, don't worry. We're not changing anything important here. Next, look toward the top corner of your screen for the 3 horizontal lines. This is the menu button. Tap on it. A list of options will appear, giving you access to everything from new message to settings. Now tap on Settings. This is where you can customize how Telegram looks and behaves. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down a bit and tap on Chat Settings. This section controls all the visual elements like font size, backgrounds, and themes. Here's the fun part. Look for the option that says Switch to Night Mode. Tap it once. Instantly, you'll see your screen transform from bright white to a smooth, dark theme. The text turns lighter, the background darker, and your chats now feel easier on the eyes. That's it. You've successfully turned on dark mode in Telegram. No complicated steps, no extra downloads. Just a clean, modern look that works beautifully whether you're texting in daylight or scrolling in bed at night. If you ever want to switch back, just repeat the same steps and tap Switch to Day Mode instead. Telegram lets you toggle between the two anytime you like, so you can customize your experience in seconds. And there, you have it, a simple update that makes a big difference in how you use Telegram every day. Try it out and see how much you like the new look. Thanks for watching.